And I hold you close, but I can't find words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band would play, I always remember as you sway. Lovers in the night. You don't know how to rhyme, baby, catching fire. So when I hold you close, then I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band would play, I always remember us this way. Bakit kaya? Bakit ka ba naghihintay? Nahimukin pa, pilitin ka ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit nagkakaganyan. Lumulutan, nasasayang ang buhay mo. At ang ibinubulong ng iyong puso. Tutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? At ikaw ay kaagad sumusuko. Munting hirap at munting pagsubok lamang. Bakit ganyan? Nasaan ang iyong tapang? Naduduwag, nawawalan ng pag-asa. At iniisip na natutulog pa. Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? Sikapin mo, pilitin mo, ibayan ng iyong tanging ikaw ang huhubog. Okay, another song by Bryan Adams. Okay, this song is a song by Freddy Aguilar. Silang ka sa mundong ito, pintuan ng magulang mo, ang kamay nila ang iyong ilaw. Ang nanay at tatay mo, di malaman ang gagawin, minamistan pati pagtulong mo. Sa gabi napupuyat iyong nanay sa pagtibla ng gatas mo. At sa umaga na may kalong ka ng iyong ama't wang tuwa sa'yo. Ikaw ngay malaki ka na, nais mong maging malaya. Di man sila payag, walang magagawa. Ikaw ngay biglang nagbago, di matigas ang iyong ulo, at ang payo nila'y sinuway mo. Di mo man lang inisip na ang kanilang ginagawa'y para sa'yo. Okay, another song by Gary Valenciano. Just what is it in me? Sometimes I just don't know what gives me your love. Why you never let me go? Enjoy hearing you now. I fall and hurt you still. My Lord, please show me how. Know just how you feel. You have forgiven me too many times it seems. Feel not what you might call word of Christian after all. And though I love, temptation find its way to me. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart. Lean it on my own understanding. I just forget. You won't give me what I can't. Okay, another song again. My Michael learns to rap. 25 minutes too late. Though I've traveled so far, boy, I'm sorry you're 25 minutes too late. Against the wind, I'm going home again, wishing me back to the time when we were more than friends. But still I see her in front of the church, the only place where all the time. She looks so happy in a wedding dress, but she cried while she was saying this. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Though you travel so far, boy, I'm sorry you're 25 minutes too late. Against the wind, I'm going home again, wishing me back to the time when we were more than friends. Okay guys, pasensya nyo na yung voice ko po. Siyempre, that song dedicated to my son, my daughter, Hazel Jane Aquino, siyempre, Adriel J. Aquino, and Hendrik Jason Aquino. Also my son Harold James Aquino. Guys, and Elsa Camacho Aquino. Love you, Han. Ingat kayo palagi dyan, Jake, sa Buddha. Sana huwag niyo pababayang mga sarili nyo. Kahit na malayo tayo sa isa't isa, mahal naman ko kayo. Nagtatrabaho ko sa Maynila para mapadala kayo ng pera. Mag-iipon ako para sa pang school, pambili ng mga school supplies, Jake, bag, shoes, uniform. Okay, kung bahala dyan. Ingat kayo palagi ni Jake. Elsa, huwag mo pababayaan si Jake, ha. Mahal naman kayong lahat. Tayong lahat, mahal naman ko. Okay lang na magkakalay tayo, pero lagi kayo nasa puso ko, mahal ko. Mahal naman kayong lahat. Bye guys, and God bless you all. Huwag niyo pabayaan mga sarili nyo, and magtulog ng maaga, and kumain ng masasarap na pagkain dyan. Okay guys, bye bye, and love you guys. Bye.